Hello everyone, welcome to your history class. Today we are going to continue with our chapter 2, India before Shivaji Maharaj. Our objective for today is very RC based, okay? So we are going to merge or combine our history class with a little bit of RC class today. So if you will see our objective is of RC. So RC objective जो आपको शोहिनी दीदी ये जो objectives पढ़ाते हैं RC में, it is something like that. Students will be able to describe characters with reference to prior knowledge and experience. So we are going to describe characters. We are going to describe only one character. The skill here is describe and the knowledge piece is characters. Okay, we are going to describe characters with our prior knowledge and experience. Okay, so which character are we going to describe in our today's class? Let's move forward. This is the person that we are going to briefly understand. Okay, we're going to understand what all things he did in his time, and who was he, when was he born, where was he born, all the things. Okay, when we say describe मतलब उसके बारे में डिटेल में बताना, right? So we are going to describe Babur. So Babur, the first Mughal emperor. Okay, the first Mughal emperor, Babur, is rightly considered to be the founder of the Indian Mughal Empire, although it was his grandson Akbar who developed and built upon these foundations. So the first Mughal emperor was Babur, okay, and he was the founder of Indian Mughal Empire. Means he started Mughal Empire in India, but the Mughal Empire was flourished in the era of Akbar. And who was Akbar? Akbar was his grandson. ठीक है, मतलब बाबर का जो बेटा था उसका बेटा अकबर था. So Akbar was his grandson. Babur was born in 1483. So when was Babur was born? Babur was born in 1483. Okay, in the valley of Farghana. Remember this name, Farghana. Where it is? It lies to the east of Samarkand. So Babur was born in 1483 and in the valley of Farghana. Farghana एक बहुत छोटा सा प्लेस है. कहाँ पर? समराखंड के ईस्ट में. He became ruler of this small principality at the age of 11. Means when he was 11, he became the ruler of Farghana. Okay. The tiger in the 15th century, the vast Timurid Empire was split into several small kingdoms which were ruled by minor princes. So Babur was born not in India. He was not from India. He was born in Samarkand, which is in Afghanistan. Okay, so he was born there. And Afghanistan में कौन सा empire चलता था? Timurid Empire. Okay, it was a very vast empire. So it was ruled by several princes. उसमें से एक प्रिंस था बाबर. ही वॉज रूलिंग विच रीजन? ही वॉज रूलिंग फरघाना. ठीक है. यंग बाबर known as the tiger was one of these princes. So many princes were ruling different regions of Timurid Empire which was in Afghanistan, and one of the prince was Babur who was ruling Farghana. He was ambitious, he was very ambitious, he was very goal oriented. उसके बहुत से सपने थे. He want to fulfill those goals, he want to achieve those goals, and was determined to recapture Samarkand. Okay, so Samarkand was the place, and he wanted to recapture. Means it was with Babur at once, but उससे किसी ने जीत लिया वो place को, वो place उसके पास चले गया. So he wanted to recapture Samarkand. Now, why he wanted to recapture that place? Because that place has a very significant role. क्यों उसको समरखान को कैप्चर करना था? Because समरखान is the capital of the Timurids, right? The former capital of the Timurids. तिमूर एम्पायर का कैपिटल, जैसे इंडिया का कैपिटल न्यू दिल्ली है, तो उसी तरीके से अफगानिस्तान में जो तिमूर एम्पायर था, वो एम्पायर का कैपिटल वाज समरखान, एंड ही वांटेड टू कैप्चर दैट प्लेस from rival princes. Rival matlab opponent. However, numerous bold attempts resulted in failure and Babur ended up losing his own kingdom of Fargana. So what happened? He attempted multiple times to fight against his rival prince and win Samarkand. But what happened? All attempts were failed, and all the attempts were resulted in failure, and he ended up losing his own place. मतलब वो जहाँ पे किंग था फरगाना का, वो प्लेस भी वो हार गया. It was at this time that Babur decided to turn his sights on India instead. So उसने क्या सोचा कि यहाँ पर मैं रहूँगा, मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, I have to go to India. So he decided that he will visit India because he has lost everything in Afghanistan. He has lost his region, the place that he wanted to recapture. He also lost that place, so he don't have anything at his home. And at this time, he decided to visit India. Right? So we'll move forward now. This is the empire that I was talking about, Timurid Empire. Now, if you will see the map of this empire, ये जो है ये पूरा अफगानिस्तान में फैला हुआ था this empire. Okay, you can see Herat is the place name. You can see Kabul written there. You can see Kandahar written there. You can see Bukhara written there, right? And just at the right hand side of Bukhara is Samarkand. Samarkand was the former capital of Timurid Empire, and that was the place Babur wanted to capture, right? Because of because of the significant importance of that place. But what happened? He lost several battles. He attempted many times, but all the attempts were resulted in failure, and he lost his own region, जहाँ पे वो रहता था, फरगाना, right? And he decided to invade India. Okay, we'll move forward. So, settling his sights on India, India was vulnerable to Babur's invasion. Vulnerable means was very in a difficult place. Okay, बहुत ही dangerous position में था India, because it was weak with internal conflicts. क्योंकि अगर बाबर ने इंडिया में इन्वेड कर दिया, राइट, इंडिया में आ गया, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? इंडिया विल लूज इट्स पावर बिकॉज बाबर वाज वेरी पावरफुल, राइट? सो इंडिया में पहले से बहुत से इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स थे, मीन्स देयर वर मेनी किंग्स, they were ruling different regions in India also, and all they were fighting amongst each other. So there were internal conflicts मतलब आपस में ही झगड़े होते थे इंडिया के अंदर. At that time, northern India was ruled by Ibrahim Lodi, right? In our last session, we learned about Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi was the last Sultan of Delhi, right? सल्तनत के बारे में पढ़ा था, that Ibrahim Lodi was the last Sultan of Delhi, and so Babur invaded India during the time of Ibrahim Lodi, who was constantly living in the fear of the dangerous Afghans and the militant Rajputs of India. So Ibrahim Lodi के बारे में we learnt one more important thing, that Ibrahim Lodi had many enemies, right? So two of the important enemies that Ibrahim Lodi had were Afghans and Rajputs. Also in Babur's favor was his large, well-organized army with its impressive military tactics and weapons. So Babur had very large army, and they had very strategically, and military power was very large, and they had a very impressive military tactics. टैक्टिक्स का मतलब होता है बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे मेथड्स थे उन लोग के पास, बहुत से अच्छे अच्छे वेपन्स थे, न्यू वेपन्स थे. सो इंडिया वॉज री फॉर द टाइगर्स अटैक. टाइगर किसे बोलते थे? बाबर को, राइट? बाबर वॉज नोन एज द टाइगर. सो इंडिया वॉज वेरी in a vulnerable position that Babur will invade India and will attack Indians, right? So these are your two questions from these two slides. Okay, we are going to break it down. We are going to describe Babur in a very proper manner. First two questions are, how do you think Babur felt when he lost his first empire? So when he lost his first empire, right, in Timurid Empire में उसने फरगाना lost कर दिया था. So how do you think that how Babur felt when he lost his first empire? And what would you have done if you were in Babur's place? So if you lost an empire of yours, what would you have done differently? What Babur did, बाबर ने क्या किया? He when he lost his empire, he left that place and he invaded India. What would you have done if you were in Babar's place? Did you do the same thing, or what different thing did you do? These are your two questions. Make sure that you write down these two questions in your notebook, okay? And write down the answers. एक या दो sentence में you have to write. Don't write in brief. Just write in 2 or 3 sentences last to last. That's it, okay? We'll move forward. So, till now, we know that Babur invaded in India, right? Babur को पता चला that Ibrahim Lodi is the Sultanate of Delhi, and if you want to, invade India, he has to battle Ibrahim Lodi. So Babur invaded in India, and the first battle of Panipat. Panipat is a place जहाँ पे बाबर का इब्राहिम लोदी से बैटल हुआ था. So that therefore वो बैटल का नाम क्या है? Battle of Panipat. And many battles were fought in Panipat, but it was the first battle which was fought in Panipat. So इसलिए first battle of Panipat के नाम से जाना जाता है ये फायर बैटल को. The battle of Panipat. In 1526, Babur defeated the Sultan Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat. What happened between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi? There was a battle, and Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Although Ibrahim had a huge army, Babur's army was experienced with new superior artillery, including field cannon acquired from Ottoman Turks. So both the armies were very vast. Okay, Babur also had a very huge army. Ibrahim Lodi had a very huge army, but Babur had something different, something unique. The experience of Babur's army was, very much large. They had उन लोग का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा था एज कम्पेयर टू इब्राहिम लोदी की आर्मी का एक्सपीरियंस. ऑल्सो दे हैड वेरी सुपीरियर आर्टिलरीज. आर्टिलरीज का मतलब उन लोग के पास जो वेपन्स थे वो बहुत हाई क्वालिटी के और बहुत अच्छे थे, राइट? इब्राहिम्स आर्मी वॉज डिस्पिरिटेड एंड केओटिक. इब्राहिम की आर्मी का क्या नेगेटिव पॉइंट था? कि दे वर वेरी केओटिक. केओटिक मतलब दे वर नॉट यूनाइटेड because of their internal tensions, and their weapons and war tactics were out of date. उन लोग के जो weapons थे वो भी बहुत old थे, बहुत पुराने थे, और उन लोग के जो internal झगड़े होते थे उसकी वजह से लोग में unity नहीं थी. The victory at Panipat was the beginning of the great Mughal Empire. When Babur won his battle against Ibrahim Lodi, he founded Mughal Empire in India. So it was the beginning of Mughal Empire. Ibrahim Lodi was killed, and 3 days later, Babur had acquired the capital Delhi. So Ibrahim Lodi को बाबर ने battle में हरा दिया, and he was killed. And then after 3 days of the battle, Babur became, he occupied the capital of India, which is Delhi. This is how the Battle of Panipat was fought. Okay. So with that, it was the new beginning of a new era. Okay. It was the beginning of the Mughal Empire. Despite victory, Babur's first problem was the mindset of his own followers, who were battle weary and ready to go home. So, you know what happened? Babur was obviously not from India. He was from Afghanistan, some place called as Farghana. So his army was also not from India. So when Babur won, his army was very, was very cognizant about, okay, since we have won the battle, now we should go back to our home. हमको अफगानिस्तान वापस चले जाना चाहिए. This was the mindset of his army. Now we'll see what Babur did. It was at this pivotal point that Babur's character shone through. बाबर का जो कैरेक्टर है ये टाइम पे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट आया. His bravery in battle, his determination, threats and appeals enthused and inspired the army to even greater loyalty. उसका जो bravery था, right? His confidence in battle, that guys, we're going to win this battle, okay? We have to do this. So his bravery, his confidence, he was very brave. His determination, his decision, his firmness, threats and appeals, right? He was a very good speaker also, and with that, with all of these qualities, what he did, he inspired his army to become even greater loyalty, to show even greater loyalty. So with that, जो एक प्रॉब्लम था बाबर का with his army was solved. Although holding Delhi, Babur was still surrounded by hostile and powerful armies, right? So Delhi तो बाबर के कब्जे में था, but there were many other armies, right? Many other armies and many other enemies surrounded Delhi. Rajputs थे, Marathas थे, all these people were there. However, Babur and his faithful army pushed on to defeat a confederacy of Rajput chieftains in the Battle of Khanwa in 1527. So in 15,027, sorry, in 1527, Babur and his army defeated Rajputs. और वो बैटल का नाम था बैटल ऑफ खानवा. बाबर्स ग्रिप ऑन विक्ट्री टाइटेंड. उससे क्या हुआ, बाबर ने और एक करके ऐसे बहुत से बैटल्स जीतते गए. So in this way, Babur invaded in India. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi, and he won, the confidence of his army. And with that, he also won another battle, Battle of Khanwa in 1527 against Rajput. These are your three questions from these two previous slides that we learned. What do you think, Babur? Why do you think Babur attacked India? बाबर ने इंडिया को क्यों अटैक किया, इंडिया पे क्यों अटैक किया? व्हाई डू यू थिंक सो? व्हाट वर द एडवांटेजेस इन बाबर्स आर्मी दैट लेड टू देयर विक्ट्री? एडवांटेज ऑफ बाबर्स आर्मी दैट लेड टू देयर विक्ट्री. इमेजिन इफ यू वर इब्राहिम लोदी, हाउ वुड यू हैव फेल्ट जस्ट बिफोर द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. पानीपत के बैटल से पहले जब इब्राहिम लोदी को पता चला दैट बाबर इज गोइंग टू इन्वेड इन इंडिया एंड ही इज गोइंग टू फाइट अगेंस्ट हिम, सो बाबर को, इब्राहिम लोदी को कैसा लगा होगा? So if you were Ibrahim Lodi, how would you felt? Right? You will felt anxious, you will felt worried, you will felt upset, you will felt confident. Oh, I'm going to win this battle. How would you felt? Write down in 2 or 3 sentences all the three questions. Okay. So for today's work, you have total 5 questions to answer. Make sure that you pause every slide of the video and write down the important notes. Write down the questions. Submit your homework by 1:30 p.m. today. I hope so that you liked our today's video. It was very tech savvy. बहुत ज़्यादा passages थे and it was related to RC class. So I tried to include some pictures also, and I hope that you understood uh, characteristics of Babur, and also about some historical events that happened in medieval period of India. Thank you so much, class.